Hello, my name is Connor. I'm going to teach you just some quick and simple bike maintenance for your bike. We'll show you how to clean off your bike, how to degrease and clean your chain, your drivetrain, and your rear cassette, as well as the derailleur. All you're really going to need today, before we get into it, is some towels, maybe some sponges, some warm soapy water. I just use Dawn for the soap, some degreaser, and some bike chain oil. What you'll also need are either the sponges or some good brushes, just so you can really clean into your chain, get all the gunk out. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so as you can see here, I am using a bike stand. If you do not have access to one, there is one at the rear entrance to the outdoor center. There's a bike stand that's available at all times. Alright, so first things that you want to do, you want to go ahead and put your drivetrain into its lowest gear. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You want to also put your rear cassette as well into its lowest gear. Cool. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our degreaser to the chain, the drivetrain, as well as the rear cassette. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes. That way it can start working at the grime and we can get more of that dirt off of our bike. Alright, now that we've added the degreaser and we're going to let it sit for a few minutes to start working at the grime, I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity to just wipe down my entire bike with some warm soapy water. Alright, so now I'm going to clean off this wheel like I just did to the front. Of course, we also do have our rear cassette here. I'm going to also clean out the cassette. Alright, so I'm going to start from the outside in, and I'm just going to use this towel to get in between the gears here in my rear cassette so that I can start cleaning them out. Alright, now that I've cleaned off the back wheel, I'm just going to start cleaning on and around the derailleur.